Hey, you, look at this. It's the Beads Venture Charm and Pendant subscription box. They were giving away the first um, box of your subscription for free and cancel any time. They were doing it for 10 customers. I got in. Let's see what's in it. Here we go. Got a little thank you. This nice little package. The organza bag. And I love that it's paper, not like peanuts. Thumbs up. Maybe we have like a little information here. Let's see what we got. Okay. So it looks like there's a coupon on here for 10% off your next order. And there is a key to what items are in the box, the little organza bag. We have some charms and pendants. All right, let's get this flattened out. A little bit easier to read. There we go. Beads Venture, Charming Venture subscription box. Yes, let's see what's in here. Look at that. Amethyst bezel charm, tree pendant, charms, leather charm, honeycomb, Jersey pendant, owl connectors, life pendant, lotus charms, lapis charm, antique style elephant charm. Okay, I like that. Those sound fun. Here we go. Let's get into it. All right, what do we got here? Let's see. I think these might be the elephants. Yeah. Okay. I don't think I've seen this before. That's okay. That's all right. First one. That's awesome. I don't think I've seen these. Interesting. And I kind of like both sides. Actually, like the silver plated antique style elephant charms. I like these. I like these little guys. I really like that texture on that side. I don't know if that's like the back side. I don't know. I like if that's the back side, I really like it. It's so shiny. Shiny, shiny. I like it. So a happy elephant. Okay, I probably shouldn't like bother putting them all back right at this very moment. Okay. All right. This looks like a Jersey pendant. It's in cellophane. Let's get it out of the little cellophane bag. Interesting color. Got some beautiful faceting. Looks like it has a really interesting finish. It's like a mystic purple. Wow, it's really pretty. Huh. I like it. That's pretty cool. These look like those honeycomb charms, I think. Yeah, so they got a little, there's a front and a back it looks like, but I like them on either side. So you can kind of see how big they are. They're not too tiny. They could even just make like some cute earrings. They're really pretty. All right, what is next? Ooh, these must be that faux leather. I love it. I've been into triangles and like points and arrows lately. Wow, I love these triangles. And I love that texture of that faux leather. And even the back is beautiful. That's a bonus. They're kind of lightweight, but they're not like, they don't feel flimsy. I'm actually pretty happy with what's happening so far in this box. And I'm usually pretty picky about charms and pendants. I'm really weird about them. Okay, let's see what this is. This looks really pretty. Yeah, I like these. These are kind of got a triangular shape too, but they're more like fancy and sparkly. So you see that amethyst. I think that's what that is. Purple amethyst glass. It's beautiful. It's hard to capture in the light. Get that translucency. I was trying to use the paper as a white background. These are really pretty too. Okay. I like this lapis lazuli. Oh my goodness. It's all faceted. It's really beautiful. Look at that pyrite in there. That pyrite is beautiful. Just enough blue and pyrite. I love it. Ooh, it's slippery. I like that. It's really smooth. It doesn't have edges. Good job. I love it. Lotuses, lotus charms. I love these. Thumbs up again. I just keep doing thumbs up. I love these. These are super cute. I am digging this box. Oh my gosh. I am digging this box. I'm happy. This is awesome. I mean, it's really eclectic. More triangles. Oh my gosh. And circles. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at that sparkle and flash in there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And it doesn't look flimsy or cheap. It's really, wow. This is really well made. You don't have like weird edges. You don't have like weird mold. Everything's filed and yeah, it's beautiful. Look at these guys. Oh my goodness. I love these triangles. This is really going after my heart. See, here's a triangle that I've been like using kind of as a base of a frame. Let's see what these guys look like. Get like hanging like all kinds of weird things. And like maybe, yeah, like these guys. You could do all sorts of something. And you could like put beads out, like seed beads through there, like in different, like you do like an ombre or like a design. Oh man, you could do so much. I love these. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. This is actually giving me ideas. And that's, wow. I'm impressed. Because a lot of subscriptions, oh wow, look at these. A lot of subscriptions, I don't get like tons of ideas, but this, I don't know, this is really cool. Maybe this is the subscription I need. Not just beads, but actual something else. Look at the front and back. They're both nice. I love that. Look at that really ornate design. It's almost like a mandala. It might be a mandala. That's beautiful. Kind of want to put some patina paint on it. Do like a Diwali something. Something for Diwali. That would be beautiful. Oh, what are these? Oh, moons. Oh my gosh. These are cute. Oh my goodness. Wow. Little stars. Both sides are awesome. That's just great. I love these. Wow. And this box, the first box was free. This is like a pendant size, and this is the last one. This is a lot of stuff. Yeah, this is pretty big. Oh, wow. Look at that detail. It's pressed really nice. Great finishing. Wow, the material looks really high quality. You could do some patina paint on it if you wanted to. Get wild. You can also use something like these outdoor paints. Let me see if I get it focused. Like concrete, wood, just metal, like terracotta, stucco, stone, durable outdoor paint. It's a lot more inexpensive and more accessible than vintage paints. But yeah, get these at your craft store, and you can do that too. And some sanding, depending, like a light burnishing. Yeah, you can play around. These are great. They have a great weight, beautiful back and front, beautiful texture. I just love how they feel. All these charms feel very smooth. They don't have weird edges. They don't have weird pressing. Wow, I really, honestly, this is honest. I don't have any complaints about these charms, and I'm really picky about that stuff. Yeah, so let's lay all this out. Okay, this is everything you get. This is my first box. Beads Venture. Wow, look at all that. I love it. Little charms, a little bit of triangle, a little bit of triangle here, different finishes going on, colors and textures. Like you really get a variety. Like you got this gold and this druzy and these trees. It's really interesting. I love it. Thumbs up. I I I really love this box. Beads Venture Charming Venture Subscription Box. I gotta get that down in my brain. Hey, look at all that stuff you get. Wow. So I believe the box is generally $25 a month. And yeah, then it looks like you get a 10% coupon to use at their store. I believe they have other subscription box, one with like just beads. I think there's one, I think it is just beads or something like that. You should check them out. I'll put the links below, down in the description. Remember to like, subscribe, or comment. Let me know what you think about the box. But look at that. I'm not going to store them like this, but look at all that together. I mean, that's like a good amount of charms and pendants. Thumbs up. Excellent, excellent quality. Love you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me, being very supportive, hanging with me through my health struggles lately. I think I found a way to be able to talk without a lot of coughing. So, like, subscribe, comment, leave a comment below, information below. Love you guys. Check out Beads Venture. Have a great day.